Stanford published a study in Nature Medicine in 2025, and they found that two organs determine whether you live a long, healthy life or die early: your brain, your immune system. A blood test can now measure both. The study was published in Nature Medicine, one of the most respected medical journals in the world. Stanford University. 44,498 people, nearly 3,000 blood proteins measured, 17 years of follow-up. This is the largest organ aging study ever conducted. Here's how it works. Every organ in your body releases proteins into your blood. Scientists identified proteins that come from specific organs only: the brain, heart, kidneys, immune tissue, lungs, and more. Machine learning then reads the levels of those proteins and calculates a biological age for each organ individually. 11 organ aging clocks, from one blood draw. And then they asked, which organ's aging best predicts whether you live or die? The answer was unambiguous. Brain aging was the single strongest predictor of early death, stronger than heart aging, kidney aging, lung aging, every other organ. Brain aging number one. But the Alzheimer's finding may be the most remarkable thing in this paper. Having a biologically aged brain gave you 3.1 times the risk of Alzheimer's disease. The same risk as carrying the APOE4 gene, the strongest known genetic risk factor. And having a biologically youthful brain? 74% lower risk, the same protection as carrying 2 copies of APOE2. The immune system was the other major finding. A biologically youthful immune system was independently associated with living longer, and the researchers found that brain aging and immune aging are tightly linked. They co-regulate each other. People with youthful brains and youthful immune systems had a 56% lower risk of dying over 17 years. And the data shows that aged organs accumulate, and the damage compounds. One aged organ, up to 3 times higher death risk. 2 to 4 aged organs, 2.3 times, 5 to 7, 4.5 times. 8 or more aged organs, 8.3 times higher mortality. More than 60% of people with 8 or more aged organs died within 15 years of their blood test. Here is the empowering part. The study found that lifestyle directly shifts your organ ages. Vigorous exercise, oily fish, higher education, associated with biologically younger organs. Smoking, alcohol, processed meat, insomnia, accelerated aging across multiple organs. Your biology responds to how you live. The authors say larger studies are still needed, but the signal across 44,000 people over 17 years is hard to ignore.